Welcome to See Shaun Vlog, and we're at the Northern Lights with our good friends and Kitty and Princess Tori. Hi Tori, you look beautiful in pink.
She's got so many cameras on her right
I
now.
know. Should we get some food and a drink?
Hey, you read my mind. How did you know?
And Poppy's here.
Hello, Uncle Shaun.
Hi Poppy.
Hey, Uncle Shaun.
That's for you.
Mac and cheese fries from Redheads you've got. £9.50.
Really tasty, but very filling.
Really tasty though.
Yeah, you're going to have to eat the rest of it.
Well, I'm waiting for my 40-ounce burger.
Somebody's going to have to eat the rest of it.
Yeah. And Kitty's got chicken and chips.
Good cheese sauce on it.
And it's good. Ant's getting an Oklahoma burger with me on you.
Apparently I accidentally got mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My food, the box alone is beautiful. It opens like that. Fries and an Oklahoma burger. Come on,
I got the same thing as you, so you should just do the reveal.
the big reveal.
Yeah.
Look at that juicy burger. What have you got there, Tori?
Yes, that's what she said.
Delicious. That food was really good. I think it's now time to go and check out the lights. The Rainbow Road's quite nice, quite pretty.
Keep up between, but you're walking fast.
I'm going downhill, that's why I'm walking fast. It's downhill on this bit of the light trail.
Oh, look at the pink.
It's pink.
Oh! Who scored?
Festive families. I like the inclusivity of all the different types of families that exist. I think it's brilliant. All the pretty candles. Different colours.
Yeah, oh, now it's gone green and purple. It's going to go pink again. Oh, pink again. Oh, pink.
The mycelium network. It's quite clever how they've done this. That's pretty neat.
Oh, look at the pinks. The different pinks. Yeah.
Which colors do you see?
These are pretty cool, like drawings that
Look at
that
them.
young children have done.
Oh,
To
look.
make it
Icicles. And a Christmas tree. That's lovely. So these are done by people who are poorly in hospital. Probably children of your age and older. I think that's really lovely.
Oh, Santa
Yeah.
Claus!
Oh, look, it's Santa.
Santa's coming down the
Yeah.
chimney tonight. Who's that?
Santa.
Santa? Another Santa?
Looking at.
Oh.
I didn't think it's meant to turn.
Oh, it's not supposed to turn? My bad.
Did you like that?
I did. It was brilliant.
Did you like it, Tori? Yeah.
It was pretty.
Yeah.
Really pretty, and I really enjoyed it. We watched it twice, didn't we?
Must twice.
Twice.
Very pretty. I like your heart.
She's giving out the love.
Yeah. Giving out the love. Watch
It was
this.
very pretty.
Hey. Tori, do you want to toast some marshmallows? Marshmallows? There's your marshmallows.
I'll go over here.
Hey.
You want to toast them?
You want to toast them? I like this. This frame. I quite like this, funky. Instead of the normal like light arch that's been common in many trails in years past, this is different. This looks like premium compared to some places. It's very nice. And I think young Tori is enjoying it. I know I am, Caroline.
Me too.
Love the laser bit. They're always really cool.
That one.
You went on that.
You went on
one.
the frozen car.
Yeah.
Did you like the light trail? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Were the pretty lights? What was your favourite?
The flower.
The flowers.
Oh,
Oh.
the flowers, yeah.
That's the Northern Lights of Newcastle.
I enjoyed
Another
that.
pretty good trail.
Yeah.
Like this. Yeah.
Definitely enjoyed it.
We'll see you in the
Pretty.
next one. Keep making merry.
Catch you later.